Hi, this is Miss K. In today's video, I'll show you how to record your screen on your Android device. To get started, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the Quick Settings panel. Look for the screen recorder tile. If you don't see it, swipe again to expand the panel or tap the Edit button to add screen recorder to your Quick Settings. Tap the screen recorder icon and choose your recording preferences. Depending on your device, you can record system audio, microphone audio, or both. You may also have the option to show screen touches while recording. Once you're ready, tap Start and wait for the countdown to finish. Everything displayed on your screen will be recorded until you stop the recording. When you're finished, swipe down from the top of the screen and tap the Stop button in the notification panel. Your screen recording will be saved automatically in your Gallery, Photos app, or Screen Recordings folder, where you can watch, edit, or share it. And that's it, you've successfully learned how to record your screen on your Android device. Happy watching! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.